Welcome back. Amazon S3 is connected to the third-party application Zapier. And Zapier connects applications on the web that typically do not have API integrations. And so by finding Amazon S3 in the workflow ideas, we can then sort through the integrations. And if we scroll down, one of the things you'll notice is that through Zapier, you can copy files from a Dropbox folder to Amazon S3. And we can do that by using this Zap. And so in this case, instead of using multi-cloud, we are going to work with Zapier. The difference is that this will work repeatedly. So for example, this Zap can be set to work every 15 minutes so that every time you add a file to your Dropbox account, it can automatically be added to your Amazon S3 account. So to set this up, we're going to click Use this Zap. Once we get here, we're going to click Create this Zap. The trigger in Zapier is going to start the process with Dropbox. So when a file is added to Dropbox, that's what Zapier will use to start the process. We're then going to click Continue. Once we verify that our test works, we'll then click Save and Continue. And once we've chosen a specific directory that we're going to be working with, we'll then click Continue. Once we run the test inside of Zapier, we'll then click Continue. We then want to set up our Amazon S3 connection. We'll then click Continue. What we're going to do then is we're then going to click Connect. Zapier will then be looking for an AWS access key as well as a secret key. So what we're going to do, of course, is we're going to set up an IAM user for Zapier. Once we've connected, we'll then click Test. Once Zapier confirms that we have tested, we can then click Save and Continue. We'll then select the bucket that we want our files to be transferred to. We'll then click Continue. We can then send the test file from Dropbox to Amazon S3. Our file is confirmed as working. We can then click Finish. Once we do that, our Zap is turned on, and every time that we add a file to a certain directory in Dropbox, it'll then be added to a specific bucket in Amazon S3. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.